Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. But I would like to tell you before starting the video, I would like to tell you one thing. Om Namah Shivaya. So if you are interested, if you are really want to improve your communication skill, you should watch my fully video, okay, because this video is very good for you, so please watch my fully video. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. So today in my video I am going to tell you, stop comparing with other person. Actually all the people think something like this: I can't speak English very well with other person. How to improve, how to start speaking English, because I don't know when we start speaking English, so that times so people laugh at us, so can start speaking English. So today in my video I am going to tell you everything, okay. Actually all the learner, all the person have a problem, because when we start speaking English, so that times I couldn't speak English. Actually that times when we start speaking English with other person, so that times people laugh at us, so because of which we can't speak English. First of all I would like to tell you, please stop comparing with other person, okay. Actually all the learner have a problem something like this, but some of them people learns faster, and some peoples learns more slowly, okay. The fact is that all the people are different, okay, all the people are different, so please don't compare with other people, okay. Actually when we start speaking English, so that times I compare with native speaker, okay. Native speaker is speak very well, because English is their native language, so why are you comparing with native speakers? Only try to speak English, because your I think your aim is improving your communication skill, okay. I see that people who have reached fluently, okay. Actually that people have lots of effort, okay, for improving English, so you can afford more much for improving your communication skills. So please don't compare with other person. Actually all the learner have a problem, has a facing this problem when we start speaking English, so that times they compare with other person. Even I have a problem, because when we start speaking English, so that times I can't speak with other person, because I think something like this: I can't speak with other person, because when we start speaking English, so that times people laugh at us, so that's why I can't speak English, because I don't know about more much grammar, I don't know vocabulary, I don't know my pronunciation is good, so how to start speaking English? That person is very good than me, so how to start? Actually first of all I would like to tell you, please stop it and try to speak English, and at least speak up, open your mouth, okay. When you start speaking, so automatically your fluency, your flow will be increased, because I have experience, so that's why I am telling to you. When we start speaking English, so that times I can't speak single word, but because that times I learned everything related to speaking English. Having said that, I can't speak English. When I started making the video in front of you, when I started having the practice with you, so I think since then I have been getting the improved. I feel something like this, okay. So that's why I am telling to you, please speak up. Okay, speak up. Because according to me, okay, actually I would like to tell you one thing. Okay, one thing, I have two tips for improving English. First one, listening, and second one, speaking. These things are very good for improving English. If you want to really improve your communication skill, you should these things for improving your communication skill. Okay, first one, listening. Okay, listening. When you are alone at your home, when you are free at your home, so that time you can start listening and watching English video. Okay, there are so many content on YouTube. You can watch, you can consume, you can watch, you can observe everything. You can listen, you can watch. Okay, and after that you can try to speak English, so definitely you will be improved. Okay, because I am telling to you about myself. Okay, when I started making the video, so that times I couldn't speak English single word. So again and again I keep making the video, so I feel something like this, I am being the perfect day by day. So that's why I am telling to you. So please, listening and speaking are very important content for improving English. Okay, you should watch, you should read, you should write, you should speak. Okay, you can use your daily life when you are free at your home, so that time you can create any fake story and then you can speak with yourself. Okay, actually when I am alone at my home, so that times I create any fake story and then I speak with myself. Okay, I know I don't have any environment because nobody help me. I know very well because I don't have more much environment, because of which I can't speak English. But I want to be fluent in English. I want to be perfect in English. So that's why I am here and I am making the video in front of you. Okay, please let me know whether I am good or not, because your feedback is very important for me. All the video, please doing the comment, I am good or not. Actually your comment is very important, so please do the comment and do the like. Okay, actually I am making the video in front of you. I feel something like this, I am good at English. Okay, but I need your feedback, because your feedback is very important. Without your feedback I can't imagination because I am good or not. Okay, so please do the comment and do the like all the time. I said to you, please let me know whether I am good or not. Okay, so in the end I would like to tell you once again, please listen the English video and speak. Okay, and speak up. Okay, speaking is very good for improving English. You should have the more much practice for improving your communication skill. Okay, all the people say something like this, practice make perfect. Okay, so please do the practice all the times when you are free at your home. You can watch, you can speak with yourself. If you don't have any partner, it's okay. Okay, it doesn't matter, you don't have any partner, you can speak with yourself in front of mirror. All the people learned English very well without partner, without environment. Having said that, we can speak English very well. So please speak up, listen more, and definitely you will be improved. Okay, believe on me, believe on me. Okay, I have experience, so that's why I am telling to you. Okay, so in the end I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share, and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.